Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Liz.
And welcome back to
Dancing in the Kitchen.
So we are currently in a series about fiber. And today we are going to eat something that is one of Liz's sort of fun comfort foods with her mom.
It is, yes. Artichokes. Yes, they can be a little intimidating, right? I feel like you see this like thing in a grocery store, like what the heck is this? But I grew up eating them, so I'm not intimidated. But
I was. Yes. I had to be trained how to eat one after I graduated college. I had a boyfriend who showed me, and I was like, oh, that's what you do with it.
Yeah, love it.
So we're going to show you today, just in case you have never tackled an artichoke, we will show you it is actually a lot simpler than it perhaps at first appears.
Right, and we're doing artichokes because they are good for fiber, which is how many grams of fiber do they have?
They have about 7 grams of fiber, which is 1/3 of what a woman our size would need in a day.
That's pretty decent. That's good.
Good source, yeah. And artichokes also have a lot of good prebiotic fiber. So when we talk about fiber, fiber feeds that good bacteria in your gut. And so artichokes are a really good food to keep your microbiome healthy, to help sweep the toxins out, and also with satiety and weight management, slowing sugar absorption, and of course helping you feel full.
Yeah. Great. I used to eat them with mayonnaise, so I don't know how.
I like them dipped in a little grass-fed butter. Yeah. But actually, the healthy fats can help you absorb some of the nutrients. So
great.
There you go.
Cool.
So today we are featuring some of Liz's music, and we're going to be listening to a song called Good Energy.
Good Energy.
Good Energy. So tell me about this song. When did you release it?
This song came out last year, right around the time I got married. And so yeah, it's with my band Paint the Muse, my partner Luke, and it's just a really fun, feel-good tune. And it's all about having that good energy in your life and kind of releasing it into the world.
And of course, eating healthy foods with lots of fiber will give you good energy.
Good energy.
So we hope you enjoy. You'll watch us prep the artichoke. We'll also show you how to eat it because there's kind of a few steps involved, and then you get to the really yummy artichoke heart. That's my favorite.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
So we'll see you after we get cooking.
Yeah. See you soon. Take. There's no way that you can fake it. When you have it, it's contagious all the way. All the way. When you see it, you just know there's a special kind of glow. You do your best to pass it forward, to give and take it. Give and take it. Congrats, you passed the bar check. Your oars in the air and I like it. Like it, like it, like it. Like it, like it. Congrats, you passed the bar check. Your oars in the air and I like it. Like it, like it, like it. Like it, like it. So give me that good energy, energy, energy. That good energy, energy, energy. 'Cause it's a smile, it's a laugh, it's a glass that's never half. So give me that good energy, energy. Hit me now.
All right, so we are back. How did you like your artichoke?
I mean, it was a walk down memory lane, so it was great.
All right, so let us know in the comments below if you like artichokes, if you've ever tried one, if you eat them regularly, how do you eat them?
Yeah, that would be great
What's
to know.
your favorite dip? And like and subscribe. And
as always, thank you so much. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye. Behind your eyes, you got that diamond in a prize, so make it last. Make it last.
Dancing in the kitchen.